Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warieka LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warieka LTV. Keep it locked.
No, I'm gonna tell you. We, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I say? Yes, set the path for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this. Yes, sir. Greetings to the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Selassie the First. You see, enough respect to our subscriber. See, all viewers, press subscribe and grow the channel. Don't know you like the content. So, you see, yeah, George Floyd. Derek Chauvin'S conviction, I mean, nothing to me. Nothing. You see, and the simple reason why it don't mean nothing to me, I shouldn't mean anything to any of you either. It's the simple fact say, Makia Bryant, I mean, right on the back of that. You understand what I say? You know, four gunshot or more to her little 15-year-old chest. And she wasn't attacking the police. You see, I'm seeing another video viral on YouTube again where a police stop a white man with a AR-15 or a rifle of some sort in a car, in a van. You see it and tell him to come out with it and give it to him. And now the policeman, although the policeman dead, the policeman not touch him gun yet, you know. From initial stop and walk up and guard the car window and see the rifle inside of it. I know him not touch him gun. And him dead. The man come out of the car, have chance, chamber around another rifle. And start busting upon him and all of them time there. Him not open him holster for touch him gun. Because he's a white man, innit? Seen? And that just happened a few days ago. Them keep that quiet. Seen? Now this girl here, you know, 4 shots in her chest, even though them say she have a knife and thing like that, you know, it brutal. So George Floyd and Derek Chauvin conviction don't mean nothing to me, Rasta. You know, see, a legislation and law, changes of the law mean something to me. You know, see it, like me say, when you put some extra legislation, some extra act, where make some boy you know say there is protection for black people when you act. Police have more protection. Police in America have more protection than black people, you know. That's why I'm scaring the rap of them. You know, see, because the whole of them are going around and talk about black life, this and black life, that. And none of them no take the initiative for start like a foundation, like something where, you know, a charity, a large charity then, where them put up the money and, you know, go and use them, pull on them celebrity for drawing attention to it and get more donation and thing like that. You know, see, no. Big up yourself, you know, Mr. Pi, the legend. See? Enough blessed, man. See? No. No initiative like that from owner black millionaires, them and billionaires. You see, them just ride upon the coattail of the bandwagon as a photo op. You see, none of them can act outside of them, the norm. Which is, where the norm does not include the interests of black people. You see, and none of them won't act, none of them will act outside of that. From fear of losing what them have, because that's basically why black people's well-being is not part of the norm. You see? You see it. So You know, we have to bear in mind all of them things there. You know, see it. Notice them up here a level of focus on what go on down at Jamaica there in regards to the George Wright where beat up the woman and if I'm wife. You see them say them suspend him from something another and them little thing and them can't act outside of the law and all of them little thing there, but I don't think him shouldn't be able to be operating in any capacity, any function of the government whatsoever. You know, see it like I and everybody said. Him set a bad precedent in all shape and form, no matter what the weather. But especially right now with the climate we're going with the female them down there dead off. It's totally unacceptable. Totally unacceptable. You see it? And people like them they can be role model to the change where Jamaica need right here now. You see what I say? You know see it? And I wanna make the law, it don't take nothing for you to drop something fast and change that the whole public prepare for that and willing for that. You need an emergency enactment, man. You know see it? You can't work and can't have the looseness there go on. You can't left no loose ends in regards to the woman them where the woman them is concerned. You know see it? Just like I say, you have to put up deterrent for them things that don't happen. You know see it? And listen, I enjoy them things the Rasta. You know see it like the chaos where I go on down there now. You know see it? But Americans them need to stand out, you know, stay up and demand more than just where you see them go on with a use George Floyd as a scapegoat. To make it look like say them prepare for change and make, you know see it, cool down things and all of them things there. And for stay up on top of things and make sure say, you know, results. And when I say result, I mean just a conviction in a court. And I know you know hear how much sentence a guy will get yet, neither. You know see it? And before all of that end, police boy a bus 5 shot in a young girl chest and dead you know the people them disgust at talk about blue lives matter. How in any way, shape or form was your life threatened when you killed that girl? You see it? And you're dead there. You know, how disgusting you manage to still up on the scene and interact with all the public and things like that. Professionally, you know, should have remove you off of the scene and carry you gone somewhere else, man. Everybody knows the emotion and all of the thing like that, the trauma. If you know so well, then the parents they stand up and watch the man who just murder them daughter, stand up over them daughter, see him with and all them thing there. You know, see it? That's how we see it in a Rasta. Because watch ya. You don't have protection when you can get away with it where we can't trust. You know, see it? You don't have that little thing that where the grand jury thing that we're prepared. We're prepared for sweep it underneath the carpet. And act like we don't exist, like our pain don't exist. You know, see it? I create any clarity as to what happened. Be a bias. You see it? And we're not stupid. We see them things and we know them things, so we don't expect if we have no confidence in our own think or what I say. You know, see the girl that run away from you, you know, see, you know, what want to, you know. Let me say a white man take out a rifle and shoot up one of them to death long before, you know, him even feel threatened by a man who have a rifle in his hand, where him aware of, where him know, him call him body, and I treat him like a child and all them things. I know him not touch for him gun. You know see it? If the video wasn't so graphic, I would have shown it was that. You know see it? And true, they even have the technology of a blot out the whole thing when they're bus. You know, see it, but yeah, on a serious note, it's just the level of consideration where is applied when we observe, you know, with ourselves, you know. It come like people when them come on the scene, them come with a plan. And the wickedest thing, it come like a little girl. And the same little girl call the police to help, you know, because people come attack her or fear her, you know, and she end up a defend herself, you know, man. You know, see it. And she a defend herself, she not hurt no one, because the first girl where she just drop over, and she just run back from she, you know, and I head back to her and see another one and move to her. You know, get what I say? Probably she, you know, more than likely she have intention to stab or hurt anybody. Should have hurt the first one will drop and can't defend herself. You see? But she run back now though with a knife in her and you know, a little tanglings go on this and before you know it, within a split second, she dead. She drop her ground. You know? Policeman didn't even identify himself. He didn't even get the chance to say police, stop, Ray, whatever. You know, see, everybody a shout out, stop, obviously. You know? But this animal needs to be put down. That's how them treat me all the while. You know, see? So, that is evidence to me, say, you know, same level of consideration is not being applied. And us as a threat, there's a difference between us being a threat from other people being a threat. You know, I say the threshold is quite lower for us being a threat than other people. You know, see, so you have to take into caution them things there and don't walk away from this and act like said this is it and everything is alright. You know, see, if you don't mind sharp, Derek Chauvin'S walk out a road all next year. We don't know how we are going to know. See, good behavior in the world and by, you know, the custody of the prison service now when him leave the court, you know. You see it. You see it. The rest is up to the warden. Give him an easy duty or a job for the summer because we said the first time when him get arrested, how much about 8 black man. 8 black police officers will work on the shift. Move them and put them down a bottom floor. Put them down on one bottom floor. Take all of them off of the floor where him depend, where them in a custody. You know, see it? You know, see it? Nah, man, that one conviction no mean nothing to me, man. You know, see, because only for other people out there in a danger, right? You know, same way from them same element there. Where still exists within the force. And none of them, and like me I say, a consequence to them people, they matter. You see, they go on like them act and I try to distort the whole approach. Like so well then they want to get rid of them people that out there. No. You can't get rid of all of them. Because you have people in the right hand now where them not show for them true colors. You know, no evidence say them are that. You know, see. You need to set up consequence, man. Consequence that some boy think twice before them do them thing there, you know? You don't know still. You don't know. If you just stay up on top of things and don't forget it. You know, see? Yeah. And a boy down in Jamaica when him George Wright. We ever remember a parliament, I go and let them afraid for call him name. I wonder how much secret him have so and how him have secrets of a Rasta. Everybody are going about legal issue. All I don't know say him, how him sue what? So when him sue, more detailed investigation now go on to see who and who upon the video. When I go and like say people are idiot. And I say it all come out clear now say him. And him know wasting time suing anybody. Him go to get counter sue. Not go like we are idiot. And I still protect him little dirty integrity same way. You know see it? You know, go on till you won't shame. Be on a demise. You know see it? George Wright him name will be beat up the woman with a stool. You know, for move him out of the public affairs. You know, see it? Yeah. Boy, if you have a problem operating in a private capacity, Because we trust them and give them the power to be leaders. And you see the example where them are set. You know, see it. I feel say if you have stronger penalty for people who are in them position there. Position of authority. You know, see it, because we trust them with everything where we have to trust them with our heart, with mind, with soul. To make the decision them when necessary. You know, see it. And when you show on the true colors like this, we don't forget put down, because at the end of the day, we in a desperate state. And if you know you're not man enough for the job, go do something else, no man. You know, see it. No little common man with nothing else going on now and get take up and put in a parliament or politics. We know you have a source or a source of income. You know, see it. Go do it. Share, like, and subscribe. Rastafari.